Digital wellness is not about eliminating technologies in our life, but using it in a way that supports our well-being. By adopting mindful practices and setting healthy boundaries, we can enjoy the benefits of technologies without sacrificing our mental, physical, and emotional health. Let's strive for a balanced digital life that enhances our overall quality of life.
Mental health. The pressure to stay connected and the constant influx of information can overwhelm our mind, leading to digital burnout.
Relationship. Over-reliance on digital communication can weaken our face-to-face interaction and social skills. It's vital to strike a balance that allows us to maintain strong, meaningful relationships.
Productivity. Constant notification and the temptation to multitask can reduce our ability to focus, leading to decreased efficiency.
Excessive use of digital devices can result into physical ailments such as eye strain, poor posture, and repetitive strain injuries. It is important to recognize these risks and take steps to mitigate them.
Mindful usage. Be conscious of your technology use. Use apps that tracks your screen time and set goals to limit usage. Engage in digital detoxes vertically to reconnect with the physical world.
Take a break. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 30-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This can help reduce eye strain and mental fatigue.
Prioritize face-to-face interaction. Make an effort to engage in real-world activities and social interactions. Balance online communication with in-person connection to maintain healthy relationships.